Hello and welcome to the Scrap Room. I'm Tina Gale, here to share the 3 add-ons we have available to coordinate with the Flavors of the Month kit. So this is a great way to have your kits go even further or add more things that you really love. So we have a cardstock add-on, a pattern paper add-on, and the embellishment add-on. You can also check out our Shots of Life, which is our pocket page scrapbooking kit, because it coordinates with our Flavors of the Month and it can add more pattern paper and embellishments. So I'll have links for those reveal videos at the end so that you can check them out. So let's dig in and take a closer look at each one of these add-ons. The first add-on we're going to look at is the cardstock add-on, and with it you get 3 additional cardstocks for each one of the 4 collections. So you get 2 of one color and 1 of another. So this is great if you want to do cardstock backgrounds and have the same color background. If you want to do extra die cuts, matting, all kinds of fun things. So to start with Here Comes Spring from Cartabella, you're going to get 2 sheets of stream cardstock and 1 sheet of aqua. For our Echo Park Happy St. Patrick's Day, you're going to get 2 sheets of moss and 1 sheet of sunflower. So for the Simple Stories Simple Vintage Spring Garden, you're going to get 2 sheets of Blue Star and 1 sheet of cotton candy. For the Simple Stories Remember collection, you're going to get 2 sheets of brown sugar and 1 sheet of coastal. So you can see all of the beautiful colors that you're going to be working with this month. The next add-on we're going to look at is the pattern paper add-on. And with the pattern paper add-on, you get 2 additional pattern papers for each one of the 4 collections. So these are not duplicates to what's in the Flavors of the Month. These are 2 additional pattern papers. From Cartabella, Here Comes Spring, we have this paper with the birdhouses, all the tiny little florals, and the little bird on its little nest. The back is an aqua diamond print. That paper is called Home Tweet Home. The second paper is this sweet one with the little umbrellas and all the different patterns and prints. And the back is a peach tone on tone with a little floral type design. That is called Umbrella Days. From Echo Park Happy St. Patrick's Day, we have this cute little paper here with the little leprechaun and the little bag of gold with sprinkles of shamrocks going around. The back is the gold lucky horseshoe, and that paper is called You're My Lucky Charm. The other paper to that collection is the 4x4 cut apart, so these are always a lot of fun. The back is a sprinkling of little dots in all of the different colors. For the Simple Stories Simple Vintage Spring Garden, we have this gorgeous paper that's perfect background. It's kind of like a mixed media. We have like ledgers, we have all the butterflies. It's just beautiful. This paper is called Spread Your Wings. The back is another one that's like a mixed media with ledgers, and then this pattern here that reminds me of wallpaper or vintage fabric. The second paper to that collection is another beautiful background. So we already have the strips of patterned papers, a little doily with the florals and the butterfly over here. This paper is called Let Love Grow, and the back is a patchwork of quilts with all the different patterns and then this little zigzag stitching. So if you like hand stitching or even machine stitching on pattern paper, this would be a fun one to kind of do over the top of that for some added dimension and texture. For Simple Stories Remember, we have this gorgeous paper called Beautiful Legacy. Gorgeous florals on that dark background. The back is a little floral design, golden brown. This paper is called My Heart, and it's just small little sprinklings of florals on the navy blue, and the back is a brown gingham. So one more look at all of the pattern papers in your add-on kit. So that is definitely one you want to get added to your Flavors of the Month so that you have even more options. Our next add-on is the embellishment add-on, and this one's always a lot of fun too. So for Here Comes Spring from Cartabella, you're going to get the chipboard pieces here. So I love the new chipboard. If you haven't gotten some lately, they do not have adhesive and they're thinner, so they don't take up as much bulk. Love those. So many cute designs there. For Echo Park's Happy St. Patrick's Day, you're going to get half a pack of the ephemera pieces. So these will vary among the kits. Some will get these and some will get the other half of the pack, but you can tell that's plenty for you to work on your projects. For the Simple Stories, Simple Vintage Spring Garden Collection, you're going to get the full 12 by 12 sticker sheet. So we have a scalloped green gingham border, lots of little word labels. I love the little Scrabble tiles that spell bloom and then spring, sunshine, hello. So lots of choices to make titles and subtitles. Love the little viewfinder as well. So everybody will get that. And then for Simple Stories, remember, everyone will get the 12 by 12 sticker sheet as well. So we have a large scalloped border of that beautiful floral, more word labels. Again, lots of choices to make titles and subtitles. And then, of course, the florals, the camera. Love the little clip here and the typewriter. I smile when I think of you. So that is the embellishment add-on. So one more look at your 3 add-on kits available to coordinate with your flavors of the month. Be sure to check out all the other kits available in the store as well as the individual items. Rochelle has a ton of individual items that you can add to the cart and have shipped right along with your kits for free, so be sure to check those out. Thanks so much for watching, and we can't wait to see what you create with your kits.